Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I'm very confused today, but first off, I've got one that's coming out of a Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. Yeah, I'm really confused. This is from Thailand. Actually, it might be made in Europe. Actually, it might be. But it's by a Thai company. This is Mama green curry flavor. It's noodles. Love this stuff. This was on a previous top 10 list. So we're gonna cook this thing up. So I did an update this morning of my phone, and this is what I'm really confused about. And now I'm like thinking, oh great. Oh great. I don't know if you can see this, but oh, it's working now. It was showing that the battery was dead. It was like battery low, and it's like the battery is not low. But I did an update to Android 11, and that's the only thing new. I've been dealing with a lot of that lately. I had a plugin on my website. It was said, oh, you need to do this update. So we did the update, and then all of a sudden, once we did this update, I think it was PHP, all of a sudden an app I had was like, oh, you can't do this anymore and do this anymore. There were extenuating circumstances, of course, but yeah, it's just like, come on. Are you really just trying to like milk a little bit more crap out of the year 2020? I don't know. I think the only one who doesn't believe that 2020 was a bad year is this one guy that I don't talk about anymore. But I don't know, I've always enjoyed green curry. And yeah, I like green curry. And this one has a nice milky kind of green curry. You'll see. You'll see. Oh man. Let's flip this over in here. And you get a lid, and you get to go for 3 minutes. Oh. So, we should do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, which are quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. Number 122. I am a living witness. What could be more persuasive? I don't know. Cheese water, perhaps? Yeah, there's still episodes of The Chocolate Break coming out. Not a lot, that's for sure, but there might be a new one to see. Is this thing working? I don't know why you wouldn't be working. Let's tap this and... yeah, there's me. There's the timer clicking by. What's the deal? I don't know. But it's 12:34 p.m. here on the 18th of December. We have exactly 1 week until Christmas. It's not long. And yeah, we got 1 week until Christmas. Today is the last episode of Mandalorian until what? Halloween next year? Dude. I guess there's gonna be like 8 new Star Wars series, but I don't know. I like The Mandalorian. I don't have any faith in anything new. So we'll see. Maybe something good. But yeah, the next thing we're gonna watch, of course, will be the new Cobra Kai. We got into that late. I remember when they were pushing it really hard on YouTube. It was just like, there's even that. It sounds like from Karate Kid. I don't know. I would not. I just wouldn't know. I wouldn't watch it. It's on YouTube, which is weird. You think, you know? Because I mean, it's just like people watch tons of crap on YouTube. But as far as like a platform to watch a TV show, it just doesn't seem like an episodic TV show really fits on YouTube. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, it was a nice thought. You had a winner, but I guess it was just easier just to shoot it over. Hey, Netflix, you do it. People know what they're gonna get over there. Is it Netflix or is it Amazon? One or the other. But yeah, so that's fun. That'll come up. And we got 2019. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So let's steer it up. Ooh, noodles, steer it up. Come on, baby. Steer it up. Okay, so it's kind of like a milky green broth. I really, really like this stuff. Got a nice green curry to it. This is, I don't know if this is my favorite. I like their shrimp creamy tom yum. I like the tom yum mo fi. I like their pad ki mao. Mama's stuff is really good. It's really quite good. They're pretty well known in the world. Come on. Yep. It's like I haven't had that in a long time, but I'll tell you what, I knew exactly what it was going to be like. The only thing that seems a little different maybe is the noodle. I don't know. That shouldn't be different. Where's that? Coriander. It did end up working out pretty well. So if you get coriander, aka cilantro, unbind it. Don't leave it all tied up. Untie it. And it seems to stay happier that way. Superhero Mimi. Wow, Miles. That's kind to say to you about your sister. Okay, what else we got? I really need to get more crushed red pepper. I also really need to get it other than from Papa Murphy's. This is the last episode of Mando is tonight, so that's gonna be that. At least the idea is that's the last of ordering out for pizza. It's too enjoyable. Oh boy. And I need to get more sesame seed as well. There we are. Now we will allow rotation and the gravimetrics to take shape and make it so as it should. Here we go. that light on. What's wrong with me? Well, I left the light on. But, yeah, lunchtime for the kids.